Cough, ee. Cough, ee.
By cough.
Cough, ee.
Yes, by cough.
Cough, ee.
Yes, by coughing.
Ee. Cough.
Yes.
Cough, ee.
By coughing.
Cough.
How you doing?
Good, how are you? Just the basic and keep the change for yourself, buddy.
Appreciate that.
Thank you. You too.
Cough.
Is that cool up there? You see where it says the sign says smile, we love you?
Cough.
What's the other sign say?
Cough, ee.
Where could that cough be from? Not that crazy cheeseburger you made me eat from Del Taco. That was gross. What was wrong with it?
Neat.
Meat was what?
Wow.
Meat was wrong, and it was raw. Say it was gross, Jim. Say it was sickening. Yes?
Yes.
And so you said I don't have to get no more cheeseburgers from Del Taco, right?
Yes.
That's what you said. No more?
No.
Okay. So what am I going to get? No beef burrito.
Buy beef burger.
Yeah, buy beef burrito. Too spicy. Don't like that one. How about I just get one taco?
Buy second roast.
Oh, the chicken rolls is kind of spicy too. So how about if I get one taco? What do you think about that?
Buy second roast.
Buy chicken rollies.
Yuck.
Yuckola.
Yuck.
See you later, yuck. Me no like me. I will. It's almost time to go through. Because we tipped him, he's just scrubbing it real good. And then we're going to go to another car wash. So you're going to have 2 car washes today?
Yes.
Because you was such a good boy to get all your stuff done at Beaumont. That was great. And no teachers today. Oh my gosh, you lucked out great. You had a good day. Didn't you? Is that cool?
Yes.
Say bye. Say see you later. Say thanks, buddy.
Bye.
Have a good day. I'll fix it. Ooh, that was close. Look at all those soaps. Is this the one that we like to smell? It smells really nice.
Yes.
What does it smell like? Lemon limes? They all smell like lemon limes. Yeah, this one's quiet. You notice how quiet it is? Oh, those are like spiders. Here comes some more rain.
Alsala.
Yeah, that hospital closed down. They're supposed to tear all that down and put a Myers there. Cool. How was that? That's one. I'll take it to Jackson Southfield. As soon as we're all done. Deal?
Yes.
All right. Thank you. All right, lean back. I can't see.